All right, we're going to take a look at the installation of the ALQD attachment on a DBL2 with a leg strap adapter. So first thing we're going to do is go ahead and dump out our hardware. Now we only need 3 screws for this process, so we'll take 3 of our screws and set the rest of the hardware aside. Okay, so the large key slotted holes we're going to want away from the body. So if your belt is upside down, the slotted holes on the DBL2, we are going to align those with our ALQD. Now with the leg strap adapter, we are going to get this on there with the little protrusion on the center facing away from the body. So go ahead and get these aligned. I'm going to start by aligning the bottom screw, and we're just going to get that threaded in. Set the top screw. We're not tightening any of these just yet. We're just getting the threads engaged. Okay, now you can adjust your can angle. All right, so center of the slots is going to be straight draw, and pushing it towards the front of the belt is going to give you a forward cant, and then to the back of the belt is going to give you a reverse cant. So we're going to set this one up just slightly canted forward, and I'm going to hold that position and snug these screws down. Now before you install these screws, you're going to take a dab of Loctite and put it on each screw. We're not doing that for the demonstration purpose of this video. And we're just going to snug these down. If you have a torque wrench, it's about 20 to 25 inch-pounds. So pretty happy with that here. We'll flip this over. You can see that there's a slight forward cant on it. Okay, so from there, you can go ahead and set your holster up on the ALQD, and you are all set.